Hey guys, so we're here at Kuta Beach. We're gonna try some snacks together. We've been accumulating these for quite a while. We have so many. I got us chocolate milks. I got him a Milo. I got myself an oat milk.
Cheers.
I'm gonna try these first.
Arden from Roma.
It's pretty.
Yeah.
Cheers. Those are really good. What would you rate this one on a scale from 1 to 10?
9. Because I really like it.
I really like it too. I'm gonna give it an 8.
Oh, okay.
Next snack you can pick.
Okay, this one.
So our next snack are going to be these Wafellos, or what is it?
Wafello, yeah.
Wafello.
Yeah. So unique. You like it?
It's okay, but we have these back home. For me, it's kind of dry, so I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 10.
Maybe 7.
Okay. Okay, next one, next snack. The name of this one is Better.
Yeah.
So let's see. It's a good thing we got to these now because they're already melting. The first bite, I didn't like it, but then I kept taking more bites and it was really good. So like, I could see these being addictive. I do like that one a lot. I'm gonna give that one 7 out of 10.
Okay. Give it 8 out of 10. Then, okay.
I think it's Nyam Nyam time, baby.
Nyam Nyam, yeah. Oh.
Ooh. So we have some like breadstick looking things and then chocolate dip and even sprinkles.
Wow, mix it.
Ooh. It has sprinkles and chocolate. I mean, what's not to love? What would you rate this one?
9 because since I was kid.
So, a 9 for nostalgia. Okay. I'm gonna also rate it really high. I will give this an 8. It makes me happy because it has rainbow sprinkles. What's next, baby? I think we've eaten most of these other things.
Next is Chocolatos. Oh.
Okay. Are we feeding it? You wanna feed each other?
Okay.
Okay. I don't think I like this one.
Yeah.
It's really heavy. Like,
yeah, look, dark
no.
chocolate.
It's a no for me.
Okay.
3 out of 10.
6.5.
Oh, is that your bad rating?
Cheers.
Should have got bigger milks. So we saved the best for last. We're not gonna lie, we've already had this, you guys. We went and bought a second one because it's so delicious. Miniature cream puffs. There.
Oh, okay.
Ooh.
Oh.
There you go, baby. Good job.
Cheers. Oh. Kill it. My favorite.
20 out of 10. We could eat this whole thing.
20 out of 10. Yeah. My favorite.
They're so flaky and buttery and light, and the filling is amazing, and we just can't get enough of these.
One more.
Okay guys, that's gonna end our video today. If you have any suggestions of things you want us to try, please leave a comment below. Bye guys. Mwah.